Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. I have this 1970 Dodge Super Bee, real Super Bee car, guys. N code 383 original car is what it was born with. And now, replacement, boom! Okay, 440 6-pack has been added to the vehicle. Power steering, power disc brakes, hooker headers. As you can see, the Edelbrock intake, upgraded aluminum radiator, Ram Charger kit on the car. The car was restored years ago, guys, in my opinion, about 10 years ago, but done very nicely. As you can see, the engine compartment, there's a body off. Core support's nice and clean. Chrome is real nice on the car. Fender tag here indicates lime green, or should I say light green, L-I-G-H-T, light green. Born N code 383, now 440. 6-pack, as you can see there. Very clean on the jams there on the doors. Newer Magnum wheels with the BFGs all around. Body is very, very straight on the car. Appears to be original. Rear chrome is good. Original B setup in the back here from Princeton, New Jersey. Dual exhausts. Again, really, really nice paint on the car. Great reflection. Glass is nice. Vinyl top is good. Dual sport mirrors. Well, a little chip in the windshield. So you'll need to replace that if you want to. We are selling the car in as-is condition. All right. Let's check out the interior real quick. But again, hold on. Before I do that, sorry, I just want to go over any defects in the paint. I do have the pins for the hood hinges. So let's go over this car panel for panel. Vinyl top. So this car was stored, previous owner in the garage with a cover, and his cat got to the vinyl top here. Just a few scratches on the vinyl top though. Here's a little, that's just, okay, well that's just wax. Okay, no worries there. Little tiny dimple there, not even a dimple, just a little scuff mark. Beautiful. You can see all the pictures underneath on my website as well. Excellent on this side, guys, gals. Inner outer door jambs are great, as you can see. Very dark green interior. I would say even if it's black too. Yep, 4-speed Hurst shifter, pistol grip setup. Very desirable. It's what everybody wants. Seat belts intact. Really clean. Let's check out the driver's side. And I'm going to start it up for you. I want you guys to hear it. WM23N0A, guys. Do your research. Door panels are nice. Again, inner outer door jambs are very good condition. As you can see there. Let me grab the keys. I want to pop the trunk for you guys. I have a little surprise for you. Ready? There's your broadcast sheet. Okay. You see everything there. Obviously comes with the car. 70B, some paperwork for the history of the car. Okay. Previous, I believe that I was told, second owner here in North Carolina. Titled the car in 2003. Okay, I believe that's the second owner from what we were told. But very clean trunk. Quarters seem to be original on the vehicle. I don't really see any patches. Let's fire it up. I want you guys to check it out. All right. Look at that. Clock is working. That's amazing. How many cars I go through and the clock doesn't work. All right. Couple pumps. That's for your fan right there. Okay. Heat defrost functions. No horn. I don't know why, but the lights do work, as you can see there. Okay. Turn signals. Okay. The radio does turn on. Okay, but nothing comes out. But don't know why. If you open this here, that's where you can put your other radio. Wipers, not quite sure why they're not working. We'll check the wiper motor in a minute here. Sounds good, huh? Well, there you have it. We can recap. Let's see, the fan is on. Let me shut that off there. 1970 real Dodge Super B, guys. This was an original 383 N-code car, and now it's got a replacement 440 6-pack with its original Hurst shifter pistol grip with beautiful paint. We believe it's just a one repaint on its factory original light green color. So financing is available with $6,000 down. And you can finance the rest. We can taper that around your income and your expenses. Make sure everything works correctly. Look how straight that body is. If you need a delivery, please text me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. We are MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, where we have over 220 cars available in 2 buildings here in Addison. If you would like to come by and check out any of our vehicles, it's by appointment only. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.